Okay. Alright, what the heck was going on there? That was weird. Do we have a different... Huh. That was weird. Oh, what up? What's up, Porky? Let's go. What's up? Keep up good work. I'm gonna keep doing my best. What is up, everybody? How you doing? Oh, thank you. We have food. We have food. Sorry, had some technical difficulties at the start there. Jin, you want Caspo? We'll throw that in there. How's everyone's day going? How weird was the market today? I mean, oh my goodness. Absolute strange. Absolutely strange. Also, surprisingly, on my short where I mentioned $4.40 is a move for XRP, I already got somebody mad at me talking about, oh my god, their market cap's already gigantic. Do you realize what that would take? And it's like, bro, it's actually not that much, but okay. I was amazed. You want solo? I got you, Dr. Techno. Solo. Sologenics heating up. It's about time to start moving, right? It's about time. Oh, man. Your girlfriend made you choose your haircut? That's crazy. Do I think false breakdown? If holds here, higher will probably bullish? Yeah, probably. Hey, what's happening? Not much. Can't please everyone. Defo, you're right. Can't please everyone. It's amazing. I don't even like XRP, and here people are like, oh my god, you're full of crap. It's like, you don't watch my channel. I know that much. All I do is talk bad things about XRP. The fact that I'm saying it has some upside, well, I mean, come on. Can we get Kava? Sure, we can check out Kava. Kava looks amazing on the charts. I'm going to tell you that right now. BTC Pi Shib. Is there a new meme coin? Is that a meme coin? Hold on. Mag Max, is that a meme coin or like what did you just request there? What the fuck? All right, guys, hold on a second. I'm gonna get a call from one of my uncles who doesn't call me, so I'm gonna take this real quick. Sorry guys, he's a rambler. He's just going. Dang. Yeah. It is. That's wild. Yeah. Well, that's good. You're setting them straight. Yeah. I know you can. Yeah, that's a shame. Which is good. Oh, he kept telling me 35. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah. I hope so too. Especially because he wants to go hunting as soon as he gets the bypass done. So I mean, he mentioned they did tests nonstop, but he didn't really give me a clear answer. Yeah. Yeah, grill him a little bit. See if you can get some answers. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. That would have helped. Yeah. That's true. Well, thanks for checking in. But yeah, we're good. Yeah, we will do our best. All right, sounds good. All right, see you later. Bye. All right, I'm back. Oh boy, when your grandpa and third and fifth cousins from in-laws start hitting you up for crypto advice, it's time to sell. No, that was my uncle. He was calling because the fires. So he recently saw on the news how bad the fires were, and he's like, "Are you guys okay?" I was like, "Yeah, the fires are nowhere close to us. we're good." And then he started talking about my dad because he's going to be getting a surgery soon, and old people, they start rambling. Anyways, for Bitcoin right now, you can see we could see a little bit of a downturn, but big thing, that liquidation map. Holy shit! Look at all of these shorts just waiting to be fed to the price. Holy crap! I just learned a lot. Yeah. So yeah, this liquidation map, it is showing we probably are going to go up a lot because all the liquidity's up there. The longs have been devastated. So there's that. Don't call anytime. You just learned a lot. Oh boy. Bruiser, you had a bad dream that you got crypto rich, but there was a bank run and your crypto was useless because mass adoption happened, and yet, oh no, that would be terrible. I just learned we need more likes. Yeah, we do need more likes. Hit the likes, everybody. All right, I'm sorry for the distractions. We're going to be getting into the TA, but right now for Bitcoin, overnight, we might see it drop like 2%. No big deal. It's looking surprisingly bullish after what happened today. Was 89K everybody was expecting? I was expecting it to go lower. I was expecting 87. So the fact that it stopped at 89, that is surprising. Maybe a pump to 93K. Well, you got to understand what just happened with that is on your daily time frame. Now, on your daily, this thing looked like the absolute most bullish thing we could have ever asked for out of the market. Chill guy. We'll throw that into lists. Chill guy / wrapped ETH. We'll see if we can find it, Sal. We'll see if we can find it. All right, so understand what happened today on, you know what, let's look at it on the Coinbase chart. It's going to be a little cleaner. I still have this up here. Wow. Okay, so on the Coinbase chart, you can see we're still looking to go up to 98,106. We were looking for the upside before this downside. So the fact that we took out the downside first, this actually is kind of bullish. We don't have to worry about the downside nearly as much, in my opinion. Noted, we're cautiously optimistic. We didn't quite hit the bottom part of the trend, but we could start trending to the upside now because it looks like there's some seller exhaustion. So if you look at your daily MACD, you can see back here, tons of sellers, it was building, and now it basically just fell off a cliff. So the sellers could be done. They could be left out. Can you please briefly look at Tesla? I know usually it's a crypto stream, but if possible. Oh no, I look at all sorts of different things. Yeah, we can look at Tesla. Stocks are no problem. Stocks are actually way easier to read than crypto. It's way easier. HBAR, ICP. Yeah, we'll check it. We'll check them out. ICP, got it. Yeah, keep letting the requests roll in, guys, because after I'm done talking about Bitcoin, I'm going to go into the list of things I wanted to show you all, and then we're going to go into all the requests. So then we can consolidate down the time on this stream, and I'm not live for like 5 hours, constantly going back and forth on the exact same charts. But noted, we're going to keep the hierarchy in here, and yeah, DZ, I already got you down for DGen as well as Turbo. I got you. Also, I did get stopped out last night, so that part kind of sucked. But it is what it is. ADA, don't worry, ADA is already in the mix. We will be looking at that. I got some common ones you guys asked for, so there's that. Can we look at silver and gold spot charts? Sure, we can check those out. SIBO, I don't know what that is, but silver, I don't know what silver and gold's things are. Silver, gold, BLZ, got it. But yeah, guys, hit the thumbs up, hit the likes. We're going to be going into a ton of TA tonight because I'm sure after that bounce, everybody's like, whoa, what the hell just happened? Ace Bandit, hello, welcome in, welcome in. Can I look at serve? What? Serve? Okay. Alrighty. When we start getting to these things, if I'll hopefully know which ones are stocks and which ones are crypto. Hopefully, are you fully bullish now, or more red after the 20th sell the news type event? Considering we had that weird dip, and we have Michael Saylor buying it up nonstop, and we have all these. No, I don't think. I think that was our sell off. Honestly, I think that could have been our sell off right there. So we're gonna see how it all goes. Your tablet is about to die. Well, that's a shame, Ace. Sorry to hear that. But not sure either. It's been a while since I looked. I'll look for it. All right, sounds good. TNX, not SIBO. Okay, TNX. Gotcha. He sailed it for sure. Yeah, it's amazing. This is one of the few days he bought the dip. Can I also do the SPY? Sure, we'll do the SPY. SPY. So, everybody, just so you remember how this works, there's a tier system. All these members right now are requesting a bunch of stuff. We're going to get to all the members' requests first, and then we're getting to all the other requests, unless you guys decide to become a member, or if you decide to donate higher than the members. That is how you get to jump the line in the TA once I'm done going over several charts. Did I see what Jamie Dimon said about Bitcoin? Oh, I could care less what that guy says about Bitcoin. That guy's the biggest piece of shit on the planet. Every single time he says something bad about Bitcoin, then all of a sudden he's like, oh, let me offer this to my wealthiest investors. That guy's the most worthless POS in the world. Not to mention he also, like, got caught for money laundering several times. He got caught for manipulating the price of silver. He got caught. That guy's the worst. He should be in prison. I don't like Jamie Dimon at all. I really don't. If he says anything bad about something, just start buying it. It's probably an amazing thing. Ugh, I don't like Jamie Dimon whatsoever. SLV, got it. Would be a laugh just hitting 98k and going down to 86.77. Got a feeling it's not done yet. They might try. I don't know. They've been liquidating everyone, so it's like, how long can the market makers keep this up before all of a sudden everybody's just like, oh, you guys want to play that game? And then they just dump it. Just dump aggressively. I don't think that's exactly what the market makers want. I think they're just trying to create some liquidity because there's so many entities trying to buy. So I honestly think the market makers are doing their best just to try and liquidate as many longs and shorts as possible, just to try and like get some form of liquidity for the institutions to be able to buy. That is my actual impression of what's going on. XAU, got it. SLV. Got it. Jamie Dimon is POS. I worked for Chase, JP Morgan, and was such a cheap wouldn't give us raises. And yeah, no, he's a terrible person. He is the epitome of a terrible person. Like, I don't like Jamie Dimon as a person, let alone as a CEO, let alone as an influential figure. He's so much worse. Nope, I don't like that guy. I really don't like that guy. Jamie Dimon and Ethereum? Really? Alright, let me move my plate real quick. Alright. Looks like the requests are dying down. So, number one we're going to look at now. Sorry, it's time for me to clock in. Let's get to work. So, number one we're looking at right now is Ethereum. So, Ether. Remember, I'm going through the list of things I want to look at, and then we're going to go into all the requests. Don't worry, some of your requests coincide with some of the things I want to look at, so this is going to be fine. Ethereum today. Let's look at it on the weekly real fast so you can see exactly what I see. On the weekly, if we close this week above that 50 simple moving average, this is a confirmed head and shoulders pattern. As long as we do not break below 2,956, we are good. So, inverse head and shoulders pattern fully in play. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. If we get a break to the upside, we're looking at 42% upside move, getting us up into this 5,656 level. Absolutely insane. So, that's awesome to think about. Ethereum looking damn good. On your daily, what happened today was, it looks like a bit of seller exhaustion is happening. We do not have bullish divergence yet. We just are starting to consolidate a bit more. So that looks fine. Checking out our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour, this is where we do see a bit of divergence. And is it bullish? It is. We have bullish divergence on the 4-hour from back here to here. You did set up your bullish divergence. We have 100 plus million market cap at 90.8K. Wait, what? They're also that totally agree with Jay Diamond. They've paid several fines for market manipulation. Just ridiculous. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Jamie Dimon is the worst person ever. So that's Ethereum. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour, looking really strong. Next up, we got XRP. So XRP here. What did it do? It made a bullish back test. This is absolutely crazy. XRP or Solana is going to flip ETH one day unless they figure out how to get their fees down. Yeah, you're absolutely right. And it wouldn't be the first time that XRP flipped Ethereum. It would not be the first. Can you give a look into Sol? It keeps going downwards since December. Lucas, I got you. Don't worry. It is on the list of things I already want to look at, so we will look at it for you. Don't you worry. You know, I'm glad I took this extra time before I ended up diving into the charts. This works. All right, anyways, so XRP has made a bullish back test. Noted on your retracement, you already got to your 618. This is absolutely amazing because now it is fully in play for us to sit. Lucas, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. We are fully in play to be able to hit $4.40 for XRP. I don't even like the fuckers, but the TA is looking good. 73% upside is possible. That is nuts. Absolutely nuts. But the possibility is there based off the bullish consolidation as well as the breakout and back test. Absolutely crazy. Checking it out on the daily. On your daily, you're sitting in neutral territory right now. It does look like there's some buyer exhaustion, don't get me wrong, but then we also have to look at it as, wait a second, seller exhaustion and the buying power's just now starting to grow. So we're going to see what this little coin can do, but with the news that came out, this thing might actually start going up. There's also news they might have to burn a bunch of XRP that might get unlocked out of escrow. I don't know. There's crazy news coming out about XRP. So, yeah, for those of you who actually hold this coin, best of luck. Hopefully you guys make trillions. Next up, we're going to be checking out XLM. And XLM, this is a nice little segue. I personally got into a trade on this bad boy, but you have been broken out of your down-sloping consolidation. This thing is perfectly set based off this recent consolidation to go up 38% up to 58.76. The reason why I got into the trade is because of this damn 15-minute time frame. Looked pretty darn solid to me because we did get a breakout. We have back-tested as support, looking pretty good. Looking pretty darn good. And then looking at your MACD, you can also see on the second time you came down, more selling pressure on the 15-minute, which gives me the indication this is about to start rallying up. So I'm taking it for all it's worth if it does go up. That's XLM. Moving right along, let's check out HBAR. HBAR. All right. Also, just a little FYI, we are currently up 8% on the trade. We're on a 20x long on XLM, so there's that. Anyways, going on to HBAR. HBAR did something absolutely beautiful. We did backtest the 25-cent level, and this time we did not break through. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hold on. Let me start reading some of this. I knew what your reaction would be to Jamie Dimon thing. Yeah, Porky, is shorting or longing safer than the other? Which one is harder for the market to try and liquidate? Depends. That's a hard question to answer, Blackheart. Or Bleakheart, sorry. That's a really hard question to answer. Since we just pulled back, it's technically easier to go long, I guess. It all depends on what the market's doing. And after that huge bounce back, if you're trying to short at this moment in time, I mean, you're probably only trying to short for like 1 or 2% pullback. Maybe Wall Street gets wet feet again, but we had the biggest bullish indicator of our lifetimes this morning. And for those of you who didn't understand the reference inside of Discord, I'm going to pull it up right here on Discord. Jim Cramer, he ended up saying, truly a horrendous morning. Just a total washout coming. This signaled to every market worldwide the sell-off was almost done. That right there, almost done. So, yeah. Right now, we're all inverse Kramer all the time. What's the best place to buy XRP? You just had your best place. You just had it. So, probably right now. Right now at the price it's at. XRP utility just keeps increasing. Check their partnerships. I don't want to check their partnerships ever because they're partnered up with like every bank around the world. It's absolutely insane. So, yeah, they have a bunch of stuff going on. Inverse Kramer always. Exactly. Inverse Kramer always. Anyways, moving back along. What did HBAR do? We got a solid back test down here on the 25-cent level. Now, it does look like, are we setting up? We have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. This thing is set up perfectly for a breakout. So with that being said, we would be looking at this possibly like this, where we could see HBAR going up to 55, what is that, 587? So this is what I see out of HBAR. HBAR is looking extremely bullish. We're just waiting for that nice breakout, and hopefully we get a back test. It's a big hope, but hopefully we get a back test. But this is an extreme bullish consolidation while showing the sellers are getting exhausted. Seller exhaustion, not a good look for the sellers. Not a good look. So yeah, the fact that you do have a lower price, lower selling pressure, the sellers are exhausted. Alright, so anyways, let's move right along. Decentralized. What? Okay, sure. What's going on with BTC? It looks like it's trying to go up. That's what it looks like. Kramer got the 90k Bitcoin right. Not good. Oh boy. That's crazy. Anyways, so that's what I see at HBAR. Let's move right along. We got ADA next. ADA. ADA positive here. You oh no, you really have it. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour based off the ever so slight lower low. Oh boy. So that's great to see. ADA does have the possibility of being an absolute Chad out here. If we get a breakout, noted, has a lot of work to do. Looks way different than H-bar. Looks way different than H-bar. So if we get a breakout, we could see ADA get up to $1.95. Let that one sink in. $1.95 is possible. You would more than likely test $2.29. So ADA has all the makings of a great move ahead. It needs to break out, though. That's kind of the caveat here. If it doesn't break out, if it just hits overhead resistance, it could come down. It could bullshit around in here for a while, but we're hoping that doesn't happen. We're going to see what happens in due time. Hopefully, the full moon plays a huge aspect of this. What's the best place to buy XRP decentralized? Oh, best play. Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea because they have the XRP ledger. So I honestly have no clue. I wish I could answer that. I don't know. Moving along, we got Algorand. So Algo. So we're just flying through the ones that I wanted to bring your guys' attention. Algorand, I do need to adjust their downtrend here, but on the 4 hours, same thing. Bullish divergence, but we found a lot of support off 32.8. Fantastic. Let's adjust this downtrend here, and there we go. Got a little bit of work to do to get that breakout, but let's see. Probably through ADA or something. That's true. If Wick on BTC now? I don't even understand what you mean. If Wick. Don't understand. But Algorand right here, if we manage to get a breakout. And that's a big if because we are not broken out. We are not even close. Technically, we should see a break. We should see a back test. There could be a lot more consolidation. But over time, what we're looking for Algorand to do, if this breakout happens, big if, then we could see, oh my god, the rally started there. We could see this thing rally up to 90 cents. Absolutely crazy. You tried to long XLM today. It was your first futures right when it placed it. Saw a red candle and pulled out. That's pretty funny, Bleak. That's pretty funny. It does sound like the first trade. Noted, that's why you have stop losses. You are most likely going to see a bit of red. Big wick now on Bitcoin. Oh, big time. Huge wick on the daily. Huge wick. Anyways, next we're going to be going into Sui. Then we got Sol. So Sui, let's check it out. Sui right now on the 4 hour, we don't even care about bullish divergence. That's not even found. I mean, I guess we technically have bullish divergence because relative strength stopped at the basically same point. Oh, no, we don't. No bullish div at all. We are finding resistance, but it is Sui. So we don't even try to not buy this. We just don't even try not to do that. The fact that we're holding support on $4.22, fantastic. We have a downtrending level of resistance right now, which is found right here. This could consolidate for a while, but if the market gets absolutely crazy, well, I think Sui is going to be one of those coins that you're going to wish you had a lot more of for this bull run. I really do think that way. It has a lot going for it. So, yeah, right now, you're low on your relative strength on the 4 hour. It does look like it's trying to do something. But let's check your daily. Daily is so neutral, and you're bouncing off your 50 simple moving average. It really could go either way. Really could go either way. BTC is pumping right now. Nice. All right, moving along, we got Solana. So, Solana here. On Solana. Wow, what a wick down. We back tested our 200 daily moving average. Great, awesome, love to see it. Let's get rid of some of these lines here. Let's get rid of this. We did not hold our supply line, and we're trying to break back above it. Hold on, what? Excuse me? We have bullish divergence on the daily? This is good. This is good. Are you on the 1 minute? Yeah, they probably are. So, Solana is doing a great job. Bullish divergence on the daily. You are now trying to retake your supply line. This looks like a fake out. Fake outs do come with serious consequences because everyone leverages up with shorts. we could see Solana get a nice little short squeeze after backtesting its 200 daily moving average. That is a strong possibility. We need a daily candle close above 185, so that is going to be the most important thing right now. Get that daily candle close above 185 if you can get that. Then next target, 202. After that, I mean, full trend reversal in effect, because daily bullish divergence is a big deal. Look at that. Look at that and compare it to the price. That is beautiful. And coupled it with some seller exhaustion. I love it. So Solana, I do believe right now could possibly be a great buying opportunity. Could possibly be. On your 4 hour, you're about to try and enter into that bullish control zone. You do have bullish. No, you don't. I thought we did. No, we don't. Oh, it got like the same low. So it's technically bullish divergence, but I don't like this bullish divergence. It's nowhere as bullish as if the strength was higher. Too bad. But it is still bullish. So yeah, this is what I see out of Solana. Solana's looking pretty darn good. Pretty darn good at these levels. Now, with that being said, I have 3 different crypto I want you guys to just stare at with me. Just take a look at them. So number 1, I want you to look at is WIF. So dog with hat. This is a meme coin on top of the Solana network. What we're going to do here is look at the daily. So on your daily time frame, you can see WIF made a 100% retrace. This is the area you buy. This right here is where you get in to these meme coins. I repeat, right here, where the price is at, WIF is a pretty good spot to get in. 100% retrace? Are you joking me? Very easy to put a stop loss right below 139. So if anybody's wondering, what meme coin should I buy? WIF. That one. Right there. On your daily time frame, you also are showing a bit of bullish divergence. The sellers are exhausted. Thing looks good. Looks good. Just to get back to your previous highs from where you're sitting right now. Noted, I'm biased. Hey, everyone, I am biased. I bought this today. I'm biased. I'm going to tell you that live. I am biased. All right, anyways. We could see this thing rally up just to get back to its highs, 204%. So there you go, 204%. Right there. You're welcome. If you guys decide to buy it, just don't forget about me as you start making a ton of money, all right? Just don't forget. But yeah, that's WIF. That's what I wanted to show you. Looks good. Seller exhaustion, 100% retrace. What's to stop it from doing the exact same thing it has done every single time it hit this level? And I'm not joking. It hit this level once, you went to the top. You hit this level again, you went to the top. You hit this level now, what do you think's going to happen? To the top, damn it. Take a look at Moo Deg. We'll look at it. Moo Deng. Gotcha. All right, so either way, that right there, pay attention to that shit. 100% retrace. That is buy now while you can. Another one I want you guys to look at is VRA. VRA. So VRA Veracity. This one, the reason why I point it out is simply because look at what we did. We maintained our supply line. Beautiful. That's what I love to see. The fact that this tiny little area that you're hardly ever in is now acting as very strong support on the daily. I love that. That is beautiful. That is great. That's showing a sign of a lot of upside ahead in the immediate term. The immediate term. Just this little short-term move right here. You can see VRA go from the price it's at, getting up to this like 11682, and that will be 178% upside. Seller exhaustion, doubling, triple testing this area. Now it looks like you're getting ready to get out of there. VRA, gotta show it to you. It's right there. It's right there. They also just had a crazy burn recently, and you know, there's a lot of stuff going for it, but I'm just focused on the technicals here. The technicals look great, especially on the daily. Daily looks really good. So VRA, solid. All right, last one. We're going to look at sushi because I was staring at it earlier and it confused the hell out of me and it stopped me out of a short. So we're going to look at that. Sushi. So if I think Ethereum's going to do well, I automatically think sushi's going to do well. But noted, I was trying to short this earlier. I might try and short it again. I'm not even going to lie to you, but as a shorting opportunity, this thing might be there. Looking at your sellers are starting to get exhausted. I don't know. Oh, there's a level of support right there. Son of a bitch. Okay, this is what happens when I don't look at things on the computer before I set trades. I don't pay attention to stuff like that. Are we serious? That's turning into the best support this thing's ever seen? Oh my god. Anyways, tons of support off that level. $1.27. Oh my Lanta. Did not expect it to just perfectly touch down there and start coming up. That was a surprise. Showing seller exhaustion as well. Golly gee. Anyways, let's look at this on the 4-hour time frame. What happened today? No bullish divergence. Maybe from back here. Oh my god. Wild. Just got some whiff in the bag. Hey, y'all make your own decision. Y'all make your own decision. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, this one I am keeping on the radar right now because apparently we are maintaining our levels. If we can break this downtrend and continue staying above 127.4, well, let me show you what the major overhead resistance is for sushi. You think that's nice? Nah, major overhead resistance is up here. So sushi, if this thing hits major overhead resistance, you're looking at 215 to 239% upside. This thing is crazy. Crazy. BTC is about to cross support. Sweet. Love to see that. That's going to help out all the trades tonight. This is some full moon pumpage right now. Full moon pumpage. There's money at whiff. Let's go. What's up, Melanie? How you doing today? All right, so that was all the coins that I wanted to look at. That was a quick dive into them. Hopefully you guys don't feel like I wasted your time with the list that I brought to you today. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into Solo next. So Solo is the first of the members' requests. Solo. Oh, God, no. Not that chart. Oh, God. What? I don't look at that chart either. What chart do I normally look at? Gate.io? Gate.io. Look at that. Sologenics finally starting to make its move. Solo, we're still aiming at anywhere between 62886 and 68926. Beautiful. We're getting there. Getting there. Let's go. All right. Solo, looking good. Still same target. If this thing starts getting buck wild, though, this thing could get absolutely crazy. Crazy. I have that 273% up there for a reason. That's the real target. All the way up there for Solo, $1.52.208. So hang on tight for Sologenic. It is moving, finally. All right, next we got SLV. We're going to be checking out some silver. SLV, silver. I've never looked at the silver chart in my life, so this is gonna be different for me. Actually, it's a precious metal. I probably should be looking at the monthly, if I'm being honest. So let's check out the monthly on this thing. Yeah, that looks cleaner. That looks way cleaner. Look at how clean it is. Holy moly. Precious metals, I always like to look at the monthly and the weekly. I don't really pay too close attention to the daily that often, simply because this thing moves at the pace of never. So yeah, gotta check out that monthly time frame. The monthly doesn't look bad. You're above resistance, absolutely beautiful. You do have a level above you that could pose some issues, which is sitting at 33.77, but you're above it. That's nice. Let's check out the weekly, see if it's still okay. Weekly is good. Weekly, I mean, outside of you showing like some bullish divergence, weekly's looking real nice. Looking real nice. Hype, please, brother. We'll throw in some hype. I got you. I got you. I got you. Hit the like button, y'all. Yes, please, everybody, hit the like button. There's 52 of you viewing, and we have a solid 25 likes. I feel like in the next couple seconds, we could at least get 10 more. Come on. Make a sad boy doing some TA for you happy. Bring in the likes. Bring them in. The only problem I do see with this on silver, you do have bearish divergence on the weekly, but it doesn't look like anything to be too concerned about at the moment. However, you also have some buyer exhaustion. So be careful on that bearish divergence that's happening. If you lose 26.22, I would just cut your losses on this one if you've been holding it for a while. Wait for this thing to come down. Sad boy, I'm super sad. I'm sad we don't have enough likes. All right, moving along, we got gold, XAU. But yeah, this is the only thing we got to worry about. You're getting sell pressure to start building. You have the buying pressure subsiding. This might be time to start cycling out of silver. It just might be. Noted, you could still make one more leg higher, getting to that 33.77. We'll see how it goes. XAU. So gold. I guess we're going to go with the NASDAQ. We'll go with the NASDAQ. So, gold futures going into the monthly here. Gold. Wow. I thought gold recently hit an all-time high. Am I looking at... Wait. Gold and... No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want gold and futures. What, gold money? Hold on. XAU USD? Is that what I'm looking for? Spot? CME? No. I think I'm going for this one. That's what I'm looking for. All right, we found it. So, looking at XAU, sitting around all-time highs. Oh, boy, oh, boy. So, looking at your monthly close. Oh, my God. So strong, so powerful. Jeez. Sheesh. Thing is crazy, but you are overbought again. Wow, you're not showing bearish are you kidding me? Yes, you are. Okay. Bearish divergence finally on gold. Holy crap, on the monthly. So that is something you do have to be concerned about. On your weekly time frame, no bearish divergence? Oh my God, this could keep running. The only bearish div that you have is, can we look at Polygon? Sure, I think it's POL. We will look at Polygon. Yeah, the only thing you have to worry about is the monthly. So the monthly, that can go until the end of the year. We're not too worried about that, but holy shit, this thing's trying to rally still. Your negative momentum is building. Let's see what's going on with your buy. Buying is starting to fall off. So I would be looking for a pullback sometime soon. If you do pull back and it's like rough, you could see yourself back down to 1,978. But I would be first looking for a bit of support right here at 2,419. So let's see what happens on this. But I would be looking for a pullback sometime in the near future. Yeah, so that's what I see out of gold. Next, we got BLZ. So yeah, that's what I mean, guys. Like looking at stocks, looking at precious metals, stuff like that. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. So if you guys ever have stocks or anything for me to look at, trust me, I got you. We'll look at them. I know somebody asked for Tesla. What? Shit, did I forget to write it? Damn it. Who asked for Tesla? God dang it. I think somebody asked for Tesla. I don't remember. We're going to look at it, though. All right, BLZ. Let's go. Let's zoom on in to the 4 hour. Let's see if we're still maintaining. Oh, my God. We're maintaining. It is a bullish back test on BLZ. Holy moly. There's no way. Do we have more selling pressure? No, just seller exhaustion. Dang it. But we do have that break. Maybe. We could also put it like this. Not broken out. ICP, don't worry. We got you on ICP. I did in the start. All right, I got you, Nikita. I got you. We will check out that as soon as we start getting into all of the other requests. I got you. So BLZ right now, it is trying to maintain support at 5706. As long as you stay above 5706, you're good. Anything above that, you are solid, you're great. You're still looking for massive upside potential just to get a bearish retracement. So you came down a little bit, 146% on a bearish retracement. So BLZ, it's still worth the gamble of holding. Still worth the gamble. If you end up losing 5015, well, maybe the gamble's over. Just maybe. But it does look like you're getting some seller exhaustion here. So that's nice to see, at least on the 4 hour. So there's hope. Does also look like some buyer exhaustion too. But we're going to see how that goes. All right, moving along. We're not going to take too much time on BLZ. It's just going sideways. We got TNX. TNX. What the heck is this? Oh, SIBO. Got it. SIBO. Going to our weekly. This is a SIBO 10-year treasuries. Why? Why are the 10 years going up? Oh, damn it. Houses are never going to be affordable. Golly. Why? Okay. So apparently everybody's selling off their 10-year treasuries or something. Or are they buying them? No? I forgot. Treasuries go up as people sell them? Or they go down? I forgot. I can't even remember. Anyways, let's do the TA on this thing. You reset on that pullback, so now you have a lot of upside potential. Holy moly. Sell off for a while. Looking like markets will be wild this year. Markets are going to be so crazy this year. It's going to be insane. Absolutely insane. But yeah, this thing's looking like you're about to see a rally of like 35%. That's obnoxious. Oh. Whoa. Let's go to the monthly here. What? No. Wow, we hit some lows. Holy shit. We just got seller exhaustion. Oh my god. That's all it was? No bullish divergence at all. Just seller exhaustion. Just like, oh, we got no more to sell. That's really all it was. Oh god. We broke resistance. Son of a bitch. If we break above 5.364, yeah, we're going. Just, Oh shit. Oh god, we're probably going to 6.82. Oh man. You know, certain things I just don't want to do well. This is one of them. And then if you look at the monthly, this could be, oh no. This thing could do way better. It could go up 62%. Oh man. Treasuries go up because institutions buy them as a safer allocation to stocks. And crypto go down. That's ridiculous. Oh, that's terrible. Biden is planning on giving out 770 California wildfire victims. Wait, only $770? Good. It better not have been that 130 billion that I was seeing. Better not be that. If it sells off that hard, bond money will move to crypto. Bond money. That would be cool. I would love bond money to move to crypto. That would be fantastic. What? That'd be great. All right, next we got Serve. So this is what I see out of this thing. We could see the 62% rise. This is absolutely crazy. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully not. Not only you will also need more global liquidity for a proper bull run. Oh, we're about to get tons of liquidity. We are about to get tons. Bong money sounds better. That's true. Yeah, we taxpayer gonna be paying for it. That sucks. But anyways, moving right along. Serve. So Serve Robotics. Let's check you out. Don't need to look at the monthly. We need to look at the... Oh, you're fighting so much resistance. Oh my god. Why? Why? Oh, you're back testing. Oh. Oh, and we put in the negative movement here. I called this shit, didn't I? Didn't I? Said you were overbought. Said it. All right, let's go into the daily. Daily, still not showing us anything worthwhile. You're on your supply line. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully, but you could fall all the way down to 1120. It's okay if it does. Your CCI indicator is basically saying expect a downtrend here. That's too bad. You had the bearish divergence. Oof. So yeah, now you're just making your retracement. Why did I have it lined up just like that though? You got your 50%. You're doing a pretty deep retracement here. So yeah, if you don't hold this level, you're looking for 1120 as support. But I mean, you're back in neutral territory. You could hold. You really could. Best trading platform. Binance. Yeah, that's the best one. Lots of liquidity. Binance. Yeah. There's no reason for the Fed to increase M2 only when economy starts to perform badly. At the moment, economy is stronger. No. The data claims the market is stronger. All right, that's the data. As we've seen with the data for the last 2 years, give it 3 to 6 months. It'll get revised down. Don't you worry. It'll be revised. Yo, Amir, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Yo, Porky, what up? Can you use a decentralized exchange directly from a Trezor cold wallet? Also, what's a good decentralized exchange to use? So the thing about decentralized exchanges, they're dexes. They're going to be for whatever coin you're trying to use. So, yeah. Outside of that, if there's a full decentralized exchange where there's like no market makers or something, I don't know of any. But let's just say you wanted to use Radium or Jupiter or something like that. Those are decentralized exchanges. You need to have the Solana coin to operate on those. I mean, maybe they use USDC also, but yeah, that would be good if you're trying to do stuff in the Solana ecosystem. If you wanted to use the Base network and the Ethereum network, Uniswap is the best one. Let's see, MintSwap, if you're going with Polygon, I think is what it is. I forgot what it is for ADA, but yeah, each chain has their own, so you kind of have to look into which one's the best. Also, for the Trezor wallet, I'm not sure what the Trezor wallet will connect to. I'm honestly not sure. So you might do better switching it into a hot wallet, kind of like Trust Wallet or Phantom Wallet or V World Wallet or Coinbase Wallet or some other wallet, to where it'll actually like be connected to the internet and then start interacting with these decentralized exchanges, because you have to connect your wallet to the exchange. I don't think cold storage does it. I could be wrong, but I don't think cold storage does it. Yeah. Is Margex bad? No, it's not bad. It's just not amazing. Their withdrawal policy, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. So it's not that they're bad. It's just they're not good. Melanie, economy sucks right now. What are you smoking? Yeah, exactly. It's not good. What is the best wallet to use with Weeks? Just load coins into Weeks. Weeks is its own exchange. Just load your coins in there. So just send your crypto into the Weeks exchange and then do with it as you will. Is SHIB on the list? I think so. Yes, SHIB is on the list because someone requested BTC something SHIB, so yeah. Please just become a member, Amir. I mean, I appreciate all the super chats, Amir. I really do. If you want, become a member and then super chat away. I'm okay with that. Anyways, Anyways, let's move along. Let's get into the next one. So serve, James, hopefully that helped you out. If you don't hold this level at 14.78, you're going to 11.20. But if you do hold this level, that'll be absolutely amazing for you because this could rally up to like 34.12. So this could be absolutely amazing. I wonder if meme coins are going to pump the hardest this week. They've been devastated, so they could. They really could. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. SPY. This one? Looking at the SPY. Look at it catch a bounce. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Look at that. That is a nice bounce right off of that 574 level. Wow. SPY. Looking good. Looking good. Doesn't look terrible. Can I also do, what? AVXL and spot. Damn, James. Just going in on it today. AVXL and Spotify. I don't know what Spotify's ticker is. We'll try. But looking at the SPY, this thing looks pretty solid. You are getting a very solid bounce. You're back into the bearish control zone. It does look like selling pressure has gained massively. Hidden bullish divergence on your MACD. Beautiful. Beautiful. You also could talk about the hidden bullish divergence on your relative strength. So now we could be looking at something like this. Like this thing could get ready to rock. We could see the SPY going up to $671. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see if our weekly is going to be nice to us. Our weekly is not. Hold on. Our weekly is not looking nice. We could see this thing come down even further. So the possibility of $560 is still in play. Still in play. Wish this would update. Sorry, you've actually helped me a lot. No problem, James. Had your first $400 trading day. Not bad, not bad. Either bad or good economy, it does not matter. The reality of the matter, because the fact of its data, the data says is good in shape. Decision makers will always act based on that. I mean, that's true until something breaks. Like, that's the whole thing. That's why during COVID, you saw the Fed like, oh shit, and drop 200 basis points on a Sunday. Like, when something breaks, they automatically like, oh shit, and they cut everything. So we're just waiting for whatever's going to break. We'll see. The only problem is right now, I think what could break is the actual, like, United States debt problem. So it's like, oh, are you guys gonna lower interest rates because of that? like it's getting interesting. It's getting interesting with this debt ceiling. Can we do honey? I got you on honey. Dell and coin. Okay, SPY and money supply chart is exact same. Is it really? Wow. Dell, coin. Can you swap coins on Robinhood with Googled? Wait. Oh, I Googled it. Says yes, but I don't see how. I wish I could tell you. I don't use Robinhood for crypto at all. So I have no idea. Would you invest more in ICP or HBAR? Probably. That's a hard one. I'd probably go HBAR right now. But then I would just take the profits from HBAR and throw it into ICP. That's what I do. Alright, I'm getting back into all this. Checking out Hype next. Hype. So, Hyper Liquid. This thing is trying to catch a bounce. That's cool. Let's check your daily. See if we can get some info out here. We have a breakout. That's nice. We do have the back test on the daily. Let's check your 4 hour. Wow. 4 hour. Not quite, but it is bullish to have the breakout. So now what we're looking for is that bearish 5-0 at least, but also we could look at it this way. from the high to low here, the golden pocket. We might be heading up 31%, getting you to $29.36. So that's what I'd be looking for out of this asset right now. It might take some time to play out. You're just now entering your bullish control zone on the 4 hour. You got to get back above 23.27.6. If you do not get above that, I'll see you at $14. That's really a big deal. If you don't get above it, see you at 14. That's really, it's that cold. It's that terrible. It's awful. It doesn't look bad though. It looks like you're about to go up. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour is a little bit hot, so I would wait for the morning to even try and trade this if you're not already in it. It looks like your buying pressure, it's growing, which is fantastic. You also had the beautiful excessive selling pressure here compared to back here. So that's nice. Looks like the sellers could be chilling out. It's nice to see. Checking out the 15-minute. And your 15 minutes already trying to reset after tapping on that overbought territory. So that's nice. Let's see it actually consolidate. Let's see it do something else. But yeah, you could be seeing a breakout anytime. Anytime it could be coming. AVXL is next. AVXL. Never heard of this thing. Let's check it out. Going out to the week. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Buying pressure's coming up. You got a nice little rally here. You're just got back above that 200 weekly moving average, which I believe in the stock market terms means a bull run is just now starting for this asset now that it's retaking that level. So that's nice to see. But I would personally like to see it come down and backtest 763. Personally. What up? Can we look at Merlin Chain? I guess so. Merlin Chain. Alrighty. Right now my Streamlabs is acting weird. So if anybody's talking to me on, which noted, nobody ever talks to me on Twitch, but yeah, if you are, okay, nobody's there. We're good. Yeah, my Streamlabs is just not keeping up with chat. It's kind of sad. Not keeping up. I wish I could refresh it. Anyway. Yeah. So on your weekly, you are very high on your relative strength while testing that 200 weekly moving average. I would look for a back test. I would look for this to come down to $7.63. That would make the most sense in my opinion. Let's see what your daily looks like. Oh, and your daily just put in his first red sell after putting in some bearish divergence. Would you look at that? Looks like you're going to come down. I would be looking for support sitting at $7.63. Yeah. Outside of that, I mean, just wait. Just wait for it if you're not already in the trade. But after it holds support, if it holds support, you could see it rally up to possibly 1698. Yeah, probably 1698 would be the target. We'll see if it can get even higher at 2019, but that would be your target. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Spotify. There we go. It's just spot. Checking out the Spotify weekly. Oh, is that what I think it is? No, it's not. Wow, no bearish divergence. Spotify is just going crazy. It's weird. Didn't even backtest. What the fuck? What'd Spotify do right? Howdy, sir. Howdy, Chewy. What is up? How you doing? Wow, that was like the first chat that came in a while on Streamlabs. Huh. All right, so Spotify. I would be looking for it to come down to 363. You're a bit too hot on the weekly. It looks like you should come down. Doing A-okay. How about you? I'm doing pretty darn good, Chewy. Doing pretty darn good. Looking at the daily here. Bearish divergence. And now your first lower high. The downtrend has started. The downtrend has started. So let's see what happens on this one. If you break to the upside, this thing's going to go absolutely nuclear. You're in price discovery mode. It's going crazy. But I would be looking for support down at 363. So let's see if it happens. But oh shit, 20% downside. Isn't that like a market crash for the stock market? That's absolutely wild. All right, checking out Dell coming in next. Dell. There we go. Forgotten L. Boy. All right, going to our weekly. Did we got bearish divergence and we got our first lower high. Not a good look for Dell. Ugh, that's bad. It's really bad. Alrighty, so the bearish divergence is taking hold. That is awful because your support level is so damn low. What Dell do wrong? Who'd they piss off? Oh god. I mean, real talk, we could see Dell coming back down to $71. That's tough. That's tough. Let's check your daily. Your daily's doing you no favors. Oh my god. Was that a you hit the 618? You barely backtested your 200 daily moving average and you sold off? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, so Dell, unless you get your act right, I mean, 21% downside to start. Likely to see 34% drop out of Dell? Yikes. That's not good. That's not great. That's, oh god, let's move on. Let's go to coin. Holy shit. Coin, Bitcoin, Coinbase. Bullish backtest. Jesus. You bounced once, you bounced twice, you're resetting like crazy. Oh man. Your daily just, it could go up, could go down. Dell sucks. I mean, Dell's not great. It's not looking great. Looking at the week, oh, your weekly's just trying to reset. You're almost at your 50 simple moving average for coin. Maybe, big maybe, you might come down to 222, but it looks like you're getting your footing already. So we might see coin rally up to $452. So let that one sink in. That is 80% upside on coin. Wow. The biggest problem I do see here, you just put in your first red cell on the weekly. So this should consolidate a bit. This should maybe come down and test your supply line, sitting at $185. But whatever it should do, if Bitcoin does well, coin gonna go up. Just period. It will go up. Your daily right now, it's trying to add in some more negative momentum. I mean, the negative momentum's just been growing, and it's looking like you were growing and you're buying it. This one's a weird one to call. I would guess you would touch 222, and from there you can make a better decision. But we could open to the upside tomorrow. We really could. So coin, I mean, realistically, we could see it rally up 80% if everything goes well. And considering they just basically got a solid ruling from the I think this happened tonight, actually. They got a ruling from the judge where they're suing the SEC for not giving them an answer on crypto regulations, and that might actually really help their stock. So pay attention to coin tomorrow. Coin might actually do really well tomorrow based off that news. It's really strong news. So yeah, there we go. Now let's move into the other requests. So right now we're going to be checking out Kaspa, then Tesla. So checking out Kaspa, beautiful, holding support. Tried to wick below it, couldn't do it. So Kaspa's looking extremely strong. I buy this thing and hold it. In my opinion, buy and hold, enjoy the bull run. First target I'm looking for is getting up to 24.7457. First target. That's That's before I'm even debating on, hey, should I take a little bit of profits? That right there. So 100% upside from where you're sitting, based off your daily candles, looking pretty damn good. Pretty damn good with these slight lower low, but stronger relative strength. Bullish divergence on the daily. This thing's ready to rally. I mean, the fact that Bitcoin took a dump is the only reason this didn't start rallying sooner. So, Kaspa, worth holding. Look, for the duration of this year, probably. But only my opinion, never financial advice. Kaspa looks good. Looks really good. I'm not going to dive too much into the TA here because it held support. It's very close to its supply line. You just don't want it to go below that 99409 level. You're good. Unless whoever requested that is trying to get into like a random day trade for it, which you should probably tell me that when you're requesting. Yeah, it's looking pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Tesla coming in next. Tesla. Wow, what a bounce. Oh my god. Beautiful bounce off Tesla. You didn't quite get to your support level down here at 359, so it's still in play until you break out of 407. So still in play for you to come down a little bit more, but that was a strong bounce. Looking at your weekly, you're still a little bit in that overbought territory. It looks like the buying momentum's starting to cool off a bit. I mean, in reality, this thing should pull back, and it should pull back big. Should be coming down to like 351. We'll see if we can get there. But yeah, this thing, it's like a straight line up. That's too much. It's way too much. Allow this to cool off. Allow it to consolidate. Reset your weekly. Basically, for Tesla, it's like if you didn't take profits at 407, you're just banking on, oh, when Trump gets inaugurated, Tesla's going to keep going to the moon. I think it's time to let it consolidate, let it cool off. Don't get greedy. Chill out. And then look back in on this maybe in like February or March. See what it's doing. But yeah, no, you're still a little overbought on the weekly. Last time you were this overbought was back here at the beginning of this consolidation. So let that sink in. That was the last time you were this overbought. Back here. All that. You could avoid all that. So yeah, we're going to see what happens with Tesla, but you're also about to get a golden cross on the weekly. I'm not all the way sure how the stock market's going to take that. Maybe they decide to act like it's rocket fuel and let it go up to the moon, but yeah, you're a little overheated, little bit on the weekly. Your daily's fine. Your daily's absolutely fine. Showing bullish divergence on the daily, on your MACD, it looks great. Hidden bullish divergence, I mean, because it is a higher low. So this thing could just keep rallying. It really could. I just wouldn't trust it. That's my whole thing. I just wouldn't trust it. But if it does rally, you would now be looking for it to hit 533 to 589. So that's Tesla for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let's check out Kava. Now, Kava on the weekly is where this thing looks god tier. So, what do I mean? I mean, we're going to look at the relative strength here. You see this low back here? You see this higher low right here? I want you to see what the price did. What did the price do? You hit a low, significantly lower low. Bullish divergence on the weekly. Very hard to find. Very hard to find. But since we found it, here we go. We are expecting the golden retrace from your high to low. Your golden retrace is sitting at $5.84. This could take months to play out. Months. This could take forever. But understand, bullish divergence on the weekly took place, and now you are backtesting this level that you haven't seen since you fell down as support. All we need to do is get a weekly candle close above 46.59. This thing looked crazy. Virtual spot. You want to check out virtual? All right, we'll check it out. So this looks amazing on the weekly. Going into your daily time frame, you can see the selling pressure is subsiding. Buying pressure could be ensuing. Really could be. We do have a lower high that we have to pay attention to. We will have to break above that. But right now, looking pretty solid. Or Brett, actually, which should I buy? I don't know. We'll look at them both. So on your daily, you're just making a higher low, which is great, but you still have that lower high. So we do have this symmetrical triangle that's forming, which is annoying because we could bounce around in here for a while. But I do believe this is the start of Kava coming out of the I suck at everything territory to I am a Chad. So I do believe the time is now. And no bullish divergence. What a shame. But the last time we saw relative strength this low, it was actually lower back here. So it's just bullish convergence, higher low nonsense. We're going to see what happens once you get a nice breakout. But in the extreme short term, we could see Kava rally up 27%. So very nice to see that. Let's move along. I think somebody said Nitro earlier. I'm not sure what they meant by it, but we'll see. Nitro. Nope, we got Nero. I don't know what Nitro is. So whoever said Nitro, baby, yeah, could you tell me what you wanted me to look at? Was it a stock? Was it a crypto? Like, what was that? Noted you're probably gone, but hey, I might as well ask, right? Moving along, we got virtual. Nice bounce. Hitting resistance. Hitting that resistance. But you are above. What is that line? What is that? Why did I draw that? Oh, that's weekly. Oh, that's weekly support. Look at that. Trying to get back above weekly support. Let's clean up this chart. I got too many lines here now. This is the problem with these newer crypto. It's like you have to mark out every single thing on the daily, and then it gets hard to realize what real support and resistance is. Can you check Honey out, please? I will. Don't worry, we're working through the list. ICP. Oh, I will. Yeah, I'm working through the list, guys. Working through it. I got you covered. So we are trying to get back above weekly resistance and try and use it as support. Checking our daily. Ooh, might have been a fake out to the downside. We back tested the 50 simple as support. Beautiful. On your daily, it does look like the sell pressure is starting to subside a little bit. What I'd be looking for virtual is to get a nice move to the upside and then get another bounce. Hold it as support. That's where you can end up taking your longs. That's where you could end up thinking this is going to keep going to the upside until you backtest this level as support again. You're guessing. That's all it is. There's no confirmation. There's no, oh, it's definitely going up. I mean, remember, you're also coming off of triple bearish divergence. We're still looking for that first lower high and a continuation to the downside. So virtual, buying it right now, I don't think is a great idea. I really don't. So moving along, we got Brett. So Brett, let's see what we got on Brett. So Brett is doing the stuff and the things as well as showing bullish divergence on the daily. This looks way better. So Rich, to answer your question, if I were deciding, I would be buying Brett over virtuals right now. Because Brett actually is showing all the signs that it's ready to start making the next leg higher. Not sure if you answered, but thoughts on PPI report tomorrow? Oh, that's what's coming out tomorrow? Shit. Producer price index. If we get a miss, so if it ends up being lower than expected, Wall Street, they might have a chance at freaking out a little bit. Just because that is solidifying, like, oh, maybe the Fed doesn't cut rates at all this year. But if it comes in hot, I think the markets will actually rally if it comes in hot. Yo, what's up, Missing Stack? How you doing? How you doing? But yeah, if it comes in hot, the markets might actually rally. So it's kind of a weird situation that's happening, but it's absolutely bizarre. Bad news is good news. Good news is bad news. Because they're solely focused on, oh, is the Fed going to cut rates or not? So if it comes in hot, I think the markets will rally pretty well because it gives fuel for the rate cut. That's really all it is. CPI data, we'll see what happens with that one. If CPI comes in slightly better than expected, I don't think Wall Street's going to care. I really don't think they're going to care. The producer price index, I think they're going to care more about that. I was thinking the same thing, but it's spot buy, and the AI narrative had me second guessing. That's fine. I understand. Porky, do you know what the best performing crypto was back in 2021? Was it Axie Infinity? It probably was. Honestly, it probably was. Axie Infinity went from like nothing to people in Asian countries were living off of it. I'm not even kidding. They made more money playing Axie Infinity than working. So they just did that. FWOG, got you, JR, got you. Good, bro. Been a bit, but still tried to catch some of your video. Well, thank you. I do appreciate that. I'm trying to bring out as much value as I can to you guys, and I'm just hoping you guys are learning something in the process. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour for Brett as well. Brett is set and ready to go for upside. It is set and ready to go. We're going to be looking for that golden pocket first. So understand what Brett could be doing next. Brett, on a move to the upside, we could see 63% upside. 63%. So keep that in mind for Brett. Brett's looking pretty darn good. Pretty darn good on a bearish retrace. It's looking pretty darn good. Okay, moving along from Brett. Let's go ahead and check out DGen, then Turbo, then Chill Guy, then ICP. All right, DGen. DGen, are you catching a bounce? Are you? See, here's where I got stopped out last night. That wick. Right there. That's where I got stopped out. But look at this shit. The educational videos are fire. Oh, should I do more of those? Honestly, should I do more of those? Because I feel like... I just felt like the viewership just wasn't there. So I was like, waste of time. Nobody likes it. Literally, like, hardly any likes on it. Nobody really liked those videos. So I was like, all right, I just won't do them. No big deal. So now we have to look at it as a falling channel. That's annoying, but we broke out of it. DGen on the road to recovery. Coming out of completely oversold territory, needs to get above 922. If Bitcoin coughs in the wrong direction, you're going to see DGen back down to 704. If the rate gets cut, do we rally? Oh, we rally hard. We rally hard. In the time, the Discord will grow. Yeah, in time. It just takes a while. Also, guys, be prepared for tomorrow. I'm going to be releasing every meme coin that I've been looking at recently. I don't know if I should do it in one long form video or if I should do each individual video. I'm going to decide that tomorrow, but I might be... If I do each individual video, you guys are about to get flooded with videos. So be ready on that. Moodeg, don't worry, Tyler. I still got you in the queue. I got you in the queue, Tyler. They say we will have 4 rate cuts. Does that mean bearish? No, that means hyper bullish. The market's pricing in 2 rate cuts for this entire year. Only 2. If they say they're going to add 2 more, you're going to see markets rally like crazy. So, yeah. It would be really good. Anyways, DGen right now, if we do get a move to the upside, I am cautiously optimistic here. But you might see DGen get up to 1261 if this rally is real. And from where we're sitting right now, you could see that being a 37% move to the upside. Would be really nice for a trade. Sports Center style for the videos. Sports Center style? Oh boy. You know what? That might be fun. That might actually be entertaining. So, yeah, that'll be fun. I might do that. That's a good idea, Missing. I like it. I like it. Alright, going into Turbo next. I'm going to start speed running this a little bit. So, Turbo. Alright, Turbo almost touched support. I don't like that it didn't touch it. That's annoying. Do we have... Whoa. No bullish divergence. This could just be bearish consolidation still. You're still getting held down. That is annoying. So I am still looking for support sitting down here at 67461. If we can hold that level of support, then I can be a lot more bullish on Turbo. But until that happens, Turbo needs to show something of importance. You almost backtested your 200 daily moving average, didn't quite get there. So yeah, we're waiting for not only a test, but a breakout and a backtest. Turbo has a lot of work to do. Flood us. Okay, all right. I second Joe. Yo family, how's life? Look how far you have come, bro. I'm proud of you and your growth. Now tell me something good about ICP. Bro, what is going on? I'm buying the dip. We will be covering ICP in the next 2 tokens. So don't you worry, I will tell you. So Crispy, yes. You know what? I have a better idea. I'm going to do both. I'm going to flood you guys with individual videos. They're going to be short videos. And then after that, we're going to go Sports Center style. How about that? One long form video to condense all of those shorter videos. Well, I want to see what the algorithm does with that shit. That'll be amazing. All right. Moving along, because Turbo, you're still sitting in no man's land. You really don't know where this can go. You are below resistance, but you're not touching support. So you can't make a move until one or the other. Touch resistance or touch support, damn it. Until it touches support, I'm leaning bearish on this thing, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. I mean, after this breakout, you haven't touched this level again. Not at all. Go touch it. Just give it a little touch, then run. Anyways, moving along. Go to Chill Guy Wrapped ETH. So, Chill Guy WETH. This. Base chill guy, just a chill guy. This is the problem with these damn meme coins. Which one is it? Just a chill guy or based chill guy? The fuck? Whoever requested this one, which one is it? Are you still here? Oh boy. This is why I don't go to Dex Screener. Right here. Because the first thing you hear, not the right one. Ugh. Drives me nuts. I'm going with this one. What am I supposed to do with this chart? What am I supposed to do with this chart? Dang it, man. You got no data. You got no data. It's just like Lieutenant Dan who's got no legs. Oh, god dang it. Alright, you're above support. So I would think you're going to 1003. 3, 2, 1 next, right? That's my thesis on this. We're gonna see a rally. The rally is gonna be 65%. That's what I got for you here. Let's go, chill guy. Woo! Alright. ICP is next. It was worth the laugh. I guess so. The ETH one is the best. It's the biggest? Okay, got it. Alright, so ICP, doing some good things. Watch Chill Guy be the next Bitcoin. Nope, not at all. Alright, so ICP. What I was mentioning yesterday was if we lost this level, we could find ourselves down at 898. Well, it did the weird thing Bitcoin did. It didn't get all the way down there. Now it's weird because it's looking like a bearish backtest of this 988 level. You're trying to break back above it. It's going to depend on this daily. So if this daily holds and we do get back above resistance, it's going to be absolutely amazing. Hold on. Hiccups are, oh, they're the worst. All right, so your 4 hour, you're still in the bearish control zone. There's nothing showing me you should not be able to get back above the supply line and stay above it for a length of time. Nothing's indicating that at all in the 4 hour or the daily. Looking at your 1 hour though, here's your 1 hour trying to be a little butt, and it's like, nope, we're finding resistance. This is really hard to break above, but you're just in the neutral territory. I would expect this thing to move up. Next target is to get back up to 10.56.6. If you do bearishly backtest this and you start falling, well, you did something really bad because of how high up you went. You got your 50% retrace. This thing would be a second leg down. You'd find yourself at $8.50. Once again, I don't think this is going to happen, but always keep in mind the bearish case. Because noted, we are about to go to sleep, and nighttime price movement can be a little messed up. So just keep the bearish side in mind. But if anything, I would wait till tomorrow morning, see if you're above the supply line, and then make a decision there. But if you do manage to hold the supply line, and noted, the supply line is actually a major supply line, based off of what you started back here. So if you can stay above that, we do have a very, and I mean very high price target. We would be looking for ICP to move up anywhere between 2106 and 2257 over time. So ICP is set up, and personally speaking, if you're spot holding this, stay above 898, you're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. But yeah, you would need a daily candle close below 898 for you to get scared out of holding this thing. Right now, it's looking pretty solid, especially for upside. Looking really solid. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's what I see out of ICP. Moo Deng. Let's check out Moo Deng. Moo Deng. Alright, Moo Deng. Damn, brother. You're not doing great, are you? Oh no. Moo Deng. Oh no. Losing support left and right. Shit. No. Don't you bearishly backtest it? No. Alright, Moo Deng. You got some work to do here, Moo Deng. It reminds me of that song. It's free falling, you know? Just damn. Checking out your daily though, you're almost in oversold territory. So that's kind of nice. Looks like the sellers are starting to get exhausted. That's pretty nice. Wow. Wow. Alright, so here's the thing. Let's just say you managed to stay right where you're at and start going up. The amount of hidden bullish divergence is disgusting. Absolutely gross. So crazy. Because your strength was all the way in neutral territory last time you were at this level. And now if you set a higher low while you're almost oversold, that's amazing. Even if you touch 13,628, super bullish. Basically, this is a full-on trend is going to keep going. And so if, and noted, I'm doing the if. We're in the what if world. Don't take this completely true, but the what if world, if this is a continuation of the trend. Put your buy at 14. I mean, you could. I don't know if you're spot trading this or leverage trading. So all I do know is that it's like golden pocket. You're looking to hit 187% upside, but in reality, you're looking for that 786, which is 243% upside. That would literally be your first profit-taking level if this is a continuation of the trend. And then your second profit-taking level is going to be somewhere between this 100%, which is a 321% upside, or it's going to be the 1618, sitting at 530% upside. So Moodeg, it's got some work to do. It's got to hold something as support, but it's trying, and it even has bullish divergence on the 4-hour to help it out. This thing might actually start moving to the upside. Absolutely crazy. If this is a false bearish breakdown, oh my god, this is a great buying opportunity. Noted. Keep this in mind. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at the messenger. But we do have this downtrend you broke out of. However, we would now be looking at this annoyance right here, right there, as your new downtrend. You have a touch, and a third touch. So that's your new downtrend. So we can actually get rid of this right here and focus on that right there. That is the most annoying thing I could possibly see on this chart, but it's there. See if I get it right. There you go. You tried to touch it and you couldn't. So this thing could just come up to your demand line, which is 43% upside. So keep that in mind, because then you're going to have to confirm your lows after a breakout. So it has some work to do, but if this is your low, if this ends up being the low on the daily, this is crazy bullish. I mean, it is crazy. The amount of hidden bullish divergence is nuts. So let's hope that's the case. But if not, yeah, we'll see you down here at 13,628. So there's that. How about them apples? What? What apples? I don't know what you mean. We got apples? All right, somebody wanted Polygon or Paul? P-O-L? Polygon? Oh, nice back test. Oh man, that's a not. That is. Do you see how beautiful that is? See how great that looks? See how that's like kind of like a double bottom? Oh, that's nice. You could be double bottoming on the daily with seller exhaustion. Oh my. Oh my. This is like lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Now you're going to need the breakout and one more test. Make it higher than the rest. Just come out, back test 42.25. Oh man, do you have upside? Oh man, do you have upside? Because you would be looking at this thing like, oh boy, $1.06 would be the target. Yeah, you definitely want the breakout. You want the back test that would be higher than both of these lows. And off to the races for pole. This looks good. This looks good. It's not done yet, but if it gets that, I mean, you got two targets here, 113% upside, and then the possibility of 150% upside. Looking decent right there. But you got some work to do, so don't get impatient. Just accumulate. That's fine. You can accumulate. Just don't get impatient. NBD, how you doing today, by the way? Welcome in. I don't know if Apples is a request or not, but yeah. Next, we got SHIB. Shiba Inu. Well, SHIB, it's trying to do something. We'll see if it actually does anything, because, you know, this is like the boy who cried wolf. This thing doesn't do anything anymore. It's shocking how underperforming it is. On your daily, it is trying to, I don't know, maintain this level at 2094. That's nice. It was acting as resistance. Now it's acting as support. That's what you do want to see. Let's check out your 4-hour. Like a 4-hour time frame. You fell below, broke back above. Nice. You're in the bearish control zone now. Not bad. Last time you were here, you were also in the bearish control zone. We're going to see if we actually get a breakout this time. This doesn't look great. It doesn't look bad. Just looks meh. It looks like a breakout could be coming, which is nice. You do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour, which is even better. So I would expect the breakout. And if you do, I'm just going to stay optimistic for that golden retrace, getting you up to this 2769. So we could see SHIB rally up about 30%. The only reason I'm saying that is because we still have this other demand line overhead, so we still have to be cautious. How do you determine which fib levels a chart will hit? So it's very common for retracements for you to hit the 50% to the 618. That is referred to as your golden pocket. So that is usually where I'm focused in on. However, if this is a continuation of a trend, so let's just say, actually we have to go out to like XRP for instance. So let's go down there. XRP. Wow, my XLM trade's doing terrible. Anyways, so XRP, you can see you had this nice move up, and now you have this bullish consolidation. So this is going to be a continuation of the trend once you break out and you backtest that support, which it just did. So since this was leg number 1, leg number 2 normally will go to the 1618. But if it's leg number 3, that's when you're looking at just the 1272. Is there future value, Porky? Wait, what? Isn't SHIB used in India and a layer 1? I don't know if it's used in India, but yes, it is a fully functioning layer 1. You're right, but to my knowledge, they don't have any dApps. They don't have any projects building on top of them. They have nothing going for their layer 1 aspect, so we're still looking at them as a meme coin. Is there future value? Future value for sure. It's just, I think for SHIB, since they created Shibarium, they're trying to be more a metaverse play than anything else. And until the metaverses come back and like the AI agents can interact with them, I think SHIB is going to be on the back burner until then. But I do think in the future, when gaming comes back, when all of that comes back, SHIB is going to be a contender, big time contender. And I think all these AI agents are going to be walking around inside of that ecosystem. So it could be a very big thing in the future. We'll see if it actually comes to fruition, because also Decentraland should do the same thing. Sandbox should do the same thing. And there's a lot of other projects, plus the ones that'll get created after the fact. We'll see what happens. So yeah, this is how I decide. Let's just say it was leg 3. So let's say this was leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Now we're going to be looking at this as like, oh, are we going to put in a lower high or double top or something at like 2-9? So that's where we would look at, oh, maybe it'll just go back up to this high and then roll over. I don't think with all the news behind XRP that's going to happen. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. But I don't know. How bad is this trade? I'm down 9%. Golly. Terrible. Anyways. Honestly, my little $5 trades lately have been getting roasted. I'm getting like 1 out of every 3 trades right. It is obnoxious. The market lately has been so rough. So rough for day trading. Alright, we're going to check out Honey coming in next. Honey. Hive Mapper. That's Honey? Oh, I didn't know that. Alright, Hive Mapper. Got a higher low. Looks like seller exhaustion happening. Not bad. The thing I don't like is how you're using this as resistance, and it's major resistance. You tried to break to the upside for 2 days straight, and you've been getting held down. That is not great. That is not great at all. Sellers do look like they're getting exhausted. That's nice. Let's check your 4-hour. 4-hour does show bullish divergence, which is nice, and the higher low. So you're expecting this thing to have a breakout probably tonight. So that's good to see. However, it's not like a big breakout. It's like this breakout. So let's go from this high to this low. Oh, you already got a bearish 5-0 and you pulled back. Sheesh. Maybe, just maybe, you get lucky and you get a 24% move to the upside, getting that 618. Just maybe. But you're still in your downtrend, so it needs to do a lot of work. Before you're really excited about getting into this one, you want to see the breakout and the back test holding at 75202. Until then, you're just hoping it doesn't fall down to 5317. But the longer you stay below this level, the more likely it is you're going to fall straight down here. Which, if you do, that is a possibility of 27% downside. It's fully in play right now because you've already made a bearish 5-0. And now you're utilizing this as resistance. So downside is what I would be leaning toward unless Bitcoin gets super bullish super quick. So let's see how it goes. But honey, looking a little rough out here. Looking a little rough. Hopefully you get that break to the upside, get that 24%, and then we'll reconvene on what could happen. All right, moving along, we got Merlin Chain. There you go. Merlin Chain. Newer. Okay, great. Awesome. Alright, we got some levels here. That's nice. Let's just throw this in here too, just in case. So these are all the levels that matter. This is your current downtrending level of resistance right here. So you got to focus in on that when you start coming up. Can you look at Filecoin? Sure. Sure. We'll check it out. Alright. On your weekly, you're showing a higher low. Damn it. Too bad. I'm checking out your daily. Daily time frame, nope, you don't have it here either. Not there either. No bullish divergence, just looks like seller exhaustion. Hopefully you maintain this level. Otherwise, price discovery to the downside. That would be horrendous. But looking at this, looks like a breakout could be coming soon. If you do get that breakout, you're focused in on, you're going to get something like 69 to 87% upside. Not too shabby. That's not too shabby. Seller exhaustion, that's great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Do we have anything? Anything? Bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Let's go, baby. So Merlin Chain, I'd be looking for that 87% upside. Maybe you stop short because you have resistance at 33.55. So might be a good area to take profit. 63% upside. Not too bad. But that's what I'm looking at right now. We can revisit this after a while. It has so much work to do. It's unreal. You're gonna need to break out. You're gonna need a back test. There's a lot it has to do in order to be really bullish. So we'll revisit it later if you remember me. FWOG. Let's check out some FWOG. Checking out FWOG. No, we didn't even get our upside move. Son of a bitch. Oh, that's terrible. We have bullish divergence on the 4 hour. That's good. However, I don't like where it's sitting. I really don't like that. That's bad. That's really... And the bearish backtest already had... Oh, Jesus. FWOG, no. We could see you back down at 6176. Ugh. We don't like that. Oh, no. Maybe we're getting some seller exhaustion. If we move up from here, oh shit, we might have daily bullish divergence. Hold on. Let's hold the phone here. Whoa. If we can hold these levels. Oh man, and we have the hidden bullish divergence. Oh my god. FWOG might be paying some people pretty soon. This looks absolutely crazy. On a confirmed breakout and a back test, that is wild because you technically do have support. Holy shit. Major support. You lose this level of support, you're fucked. Like, you're actually like, yeah, you're toast. You're done. It's over, bro. But this could be a very beautiful continuation to the upside. Oh my god. Bullish divergence on the daily. Beautiful test, breakout, back test. Wait a minute. All you're waiting on now is that higher low. This looks great. This looks absolutely great. Your target's $1.22? Oh my god. What is FWOG? Like, why are I need to buy some of this? Your daily looks too damn good for me not to pay attention to this nearly 6x that could be coming. Holy shit. Maybe we're going to start buying some FWOG. Maybe. Can I trade this thing? Hold on there. Oh my god. I can trade it? What kind of leverage can we put on this thing? Hold on. Oh my god, 100x? Why would they allow that? Oh wait, never mind. Hold on. This is not isolated. Whoa. 100x? Are we serious? Oh my god. We can 100x trade this thing. That is insane. 4-hour bullish div broke above 1 hour. We're getting back into the bullish control zone. Are you fucking kidding me? Hold on. Wait a minute. 15 minute. Oh boy. I don't have anything bad to say about FWOG. This is everything I look for in a trade right here. Wow. The only thing I could ask more, give me one higher low. That's it. That's all I want. One higher low. Just get a break up, back test the support one more time, take off. Take off. This thing for spot trading, ideal. I freaking deal. This is great. I mean, absolutely great. Failure to break down. Yeah, that looks good. I like this. FWOG is going to be getting bought this week. Yeah, going to be buying this one this week. I believe we're about to see a lot of upside for FWOG. Okay, moving right along. Would we look at this? Look at that. Look at that. We got the downside move, didn't we? No bullish divergence. You're in the middle of no man's land. That's unfortunate. Let's check the daily. Oh, you're on top of your 100 simple moving average. Got it. Well, you got some time here before this thing looks great. You got some time. You're just waiting. Number one, are you going to hit this supply line? Are you going to hit $4.13? Are you going to break above 547 and hold it as support? We just don't know. We just don't know. What's the most promising coin we looked at tonight? FWOG. 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 What most promising by far? But yeah, this it's like I don't hate it. I don't like it either. You do have this level of support back here based off these highs that you're like bouncing off of nonstop. You're still in your downtrend. I would much prefer if you came down to 413. If you can come down to 413, okay, great, awesome, love it. Let's dive in. Let's go crazy. But until that happens, meh. We'll see. Sad to say. No, FWOG, that's not sad to say. But this one, it's just, I would much prefer if you touched 413. Coming down to 413 will be like a great entry. Former resistance acting as support, great, love it. What you're doing right now, I don't like that. I don't like that. Sure, we can do that. GRNY. So yeah, Filecoin. Wait for that test, or get a break and a back test. One or the other. You sitting in no man's land, not a good time to trade it. Not a good time to pick it up, really, because I mean you could see this thing fall another 18%. Why put yourself through that? If you don't really care and you're spot trading, that's fine. Go ahead and grab it. Enjoy. You're at your lows. It's good. I just like optimal entries, honestly. But once you do get this support, that's where the magic happens, because right there you're looking at that's going to be almost an 88% retrace, almost that 886. That would be fantastic. So that's what you'd be looking for out of FIL. If it starts going up now, I mean, it has to do so much work to prove that it's like, yeah, it's time to really go. I mean, you'd have to do something kind of like this, where you cop up, come down, up, down, and then go. And it's like, ugh, why do you even want to wait for that? That's terrible. Just go down and touch some support. We'll see how this thing goes. But, yeah, right now it's just wait for it to make a decision. Just wait for it to make a decision. All right, that's actually going to be our last one. GRNY. Don't know what this thing is. It's some trust. Tybal ETF Trust Fund Start. Okay, cool. This thing looks new as shit. Wow. This is so new. What is this? I'm sorry to say, but you're kind of in like price discovery to the downside for this thing. There's not much data here. Not much data. Considering it's a trust, it's not performing well. You're not even putting in bullish divergence, reignition of sell pressure. I don't know what this is. I wouldn't touch it. I would wait. Can I look at NCT and ASM? All right. You're in this downtrend. Maybe. Just maybe you could look at it like this, like a falling wedge. Maybe. Like 6 candles. Yeah, it's not much going on here. So I don't know what to make of this. Honestly, not enough data. I'm back, Porky going strong on the TA still. I see Legend. It's only 2 hours in, and we are just about done. We're into our last 2. I think I like chatting it up with you guys for the first like 20 minutes before we dive into all the TA, because it's keeping these streams a lot shorter, and it's helping me out because I need to go to bed sooner. I made my client really sore this morning, so I'm not going to see him tomorrow morning, but you know, Wednesday morning I'm back on. I got to be up at 5 a.m. Just is what it is. NCT. Go to Gate.io. Okay, cool. NCT. You had a good run. You did well. It's funny because like my client, he hasn't been in the gym for a while, so getting him sore, it's not like I did anything that bad. We just had a normal chest day, and he's like, oh, I'm too sore, I can't train tomorrow morning. Okay. NCT, I don't like this. There's no pattern to go off of. The only thing it did was it caught some bids off of 4358 and had the most mediocre bounce ever. This doesn't look good. Physical therapist? No, I'm a personal trainer. MNKD and Dash? God, I'm going to have to start writing all this down again. All right, hold on. ASM. Just right. MNKD. Give my man some protein. I mean, I tell. Oh my god. Dash. Oh, you a PT? Yeah, I'm a personal trainer. I'm not a physical therapist. Off days are good for gains. You're right. You're absolutely right. To an extent. Off days are good for gains when it comes to like, oh, I trained really hard for 4 or 5 days. I'm going to take this one day off. But a lot of people are like, I trained really hard for 2 days. I'm going to take the rest of the week off. Really bad for gains. You still here? No, Boyd, I'm not here. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Somebody else. How you doing, Boyd? How you doing? Got a symmetrical triangle here. It's a coin flip on what it does, but considering this lack of buying, this lack of anything, I would guess you're gonna get another weird little drop on NCT, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. However, if you go to the bearish side, you could find yourself back down. Oh, that would actually be really good. Back down to 3116. That would be really good. Previous resistance that you never back tested as support. So here's your possibility for NCT. If you break to the upside, you're going to 8697. There's really no other options. I would think you're gonna have this weird fall. That's my thought process here. All right, so that's that. ASM is next. Assemble AI. There is no volume on this thing. Looks like you could have more consolidation. This could take a while to consolidate. You did get overbought. Now it just looks like you're chopping around. I would wait for this thing to finish chopping around, but on a golden retrace, you might see this thing rally up to 11552. Just might. But you're probably going to come back down to 4427 a couple times before that happens. It's a little overbought. That's all it is. But once you break that, I mean, yeah, you could see a really good rally out of this. Really good. Thinking that Trump, alright, is a guaranteed jump up in price, especially from today. Wait, what? Thump nag. Ingnag. I feel like I'm not reading that right. I feel like I'm not reading that right. So I would expect a lot more chop in here. So maybe you can buy this up if you want, but I would wait for the break of 106 or 60. Oh, inauguration. Got Trump inauguration. Gotcha. Yeah, we really could have that bump in price. We really could. I think that dip today, it could have been the little shakeout that everyone was looking for. It was a weird one, though. $2024 crypto Trump versus 2021 should be interesting. Yeah, should be interesting, especially because Trump now is just trying to pump the markets, which I find odd. I do find that odd. Oh yeah, this one looks strange. It does look like the sellers are starting to back off a little bit, but you're not seeing the extra volume in buyers. So let's see what happens here. I'm guessing more chopping around just because of your daily, but once you do get that break to the upside, yeah, you got like 105% upside. At least. That's on a bearish retrace. That's to be bearish. ADA recovered its 5% over 5 times faster than XRP's 5% recovery today. Well, that's just because ADA is a smaller market cap. Like, that's completely normal for a smaller market cap. Oh, it's a stock. Mankind. Interesting. Oh. What are we doing here? The heck is Mankind Corporation? Is this like Mankind from WWE? Those short liquidations from here to 98K are very likely. They really are. There is a ton of them. There is a ton of them. Wow. Yeah, that's why I'm not big on XRP at all. Too much needed for the price action, in my opinion. Oh, I'm not a fan of XRP because of the XRP army. I mean, there's a plethora of reasons to be against XRP. That's fine. Just, I'm seeing they could go up a lot. Mankind was a menace. He was. But it looks like he's about to be a menace in his stock. Holy shit. Alright, so on the weekly time frame, this sell pressure right here is the greatest amount of sell pressure you've seen, and it's more sell pressure than this back here. This is hidden bullish divergence that is starting to form. If you get a break back above 627, $10.73 is your next target. That is absolute insanity at its finest. Bullishly backtesting former resistance, that will be a very big deal. You're already resetting your weekly indicator. That is crazy. Checking out the daily here. Daily, you set a low once, you're still above your 200 daily moving average. Not bad. Did we have no, we didn't. No bearish divergence, just consolidation. Wow. So this is looking pretty good for upside. Looking pretty good for upside. I would be looking for this thing to move on up. What? 74%? Damn. Damn. And it lines up nearly perfectly. That's crazy. This is a nice chart. Not bad. Now we're checking out Dash. Final request of the night. The final one. Oh boy. See, this isn't bad at all. Dash actually looks decent. Seller exhaustion, hitting a support twice. You love to see that. Let's see what this looks like from the on a breakout as well. Back test. This is what we like. This is good. Let's go ahead and check out our 4-hour. No bullish divergence on the 4. That's fine. Same levels as before. Okay. Biopharmaceutical company? Well, I thought there was an article that came out today talking about how biopharmaceutical companies are having like the least amount of people getting vaccines in like years. Shouldn't that thing be doing bad? If Trump could stop tweeting us into trade wars and being himself, I would be less worried. Well, he's done a good job of just staying off Twitter and only being on Truth Social. So he's done a pretty good job there. And also right now I feel like he's having more fun trolling the world than anything else. Like telling Mexico, oh, we're going to have the Gulf of America. And telling Canada, it's like, Trudeau, you can be the governor of our 51st state. Like, I think that's hilarious. So I think he's having more fun doing that than actually anything else. So this is what I see out of Dash on the shorter term. You could see a 54% bump in upside. However, if this is a real move to the upside, I mean, this thing from low to high, you might see Dash trading up to $102. Dash has tons of upside, tons. So we'll see what ends up happening. But I would be looking for this 56% move. You do have overhead resistance at $43. I would see it come up, touch support, then try and keep going. But that's what I would be looking at in the shorter term. So that is Dash. All right. With all that being said, I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to get to sleep. I still got to wake up in the morning and do conditioning. Got to get to the gym, get a lift in before I train my 2 clients. And then I got to get ready for the crazy meme coins that I'm about to be posting tomorrow. You should be expecting probably 4 to 5 videos. And then the montage video of all 3 of them. 0 editing. So be ready for all of that. It's going to be great. All right, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. Thank you, everybody, for the likes. Thank you for hanging out with me and chatting it up. Soba. Wait. What? Chewy, is that a chart? Hold on. What? You want to look at that? It's a meme? Soba? Well, we can't even find it anyways, so sorry, Chewy, I can't look at it. Nope, not doing it. All right. Anyways, I'm going to get on out of here. Reminder, everybody, tomorrow is members-only chat. So it'll be for all the members. Everybody can watch the stream, but this is my way of saying thank you to the members and getting all their requests out of the way. Anyways, everybody, I'm going to go to sleep. It's fine. It's a meme. Peace. All right, Chewy. Have a good night. Good night, everybody. I'm out of here. I'll see you in Discord. Take it easy. Deuces. Keep those stop losses tight.